Hello, welcome to this new video. Today I'm gonna basically configure my Arch Linux. I am trying to configure Qtile, and for now it's broken. It is like completely broken. I mean, it is kind of working, but not so much. For example, if I go to my config directory and I go to Qtile, there is nothing in my Qtile config files, and that is because I have tried to use another one, but like another config, but it was not working, so I did a mess, so I just deleted everything. So okay, but right now I wanna check my Alacrity because I installed some packages and they messed up a bit with my Alacrity, I think. I'm not really sure. No, actually I think it is kinda fine right now. Yeah, it is. So okay, so we can quit. And now I want to I want to go for a second in my browser and search for the default Qtile template that it is actually kind of executing right now, but I'm not really sure where it is taking it from. So let's open the documentation and let's see. Okay, here it is, default config file. Perfect. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab this. Here it is, and I'm gonna put it in my. How many windows do I have open? Okay, I'm just gonna put it in my Qtile config file. So okay, I am kinda a noob in everything here because I've started using Arch for a really short time, and so if you see that I am very slow like writing, I'm just learning all the new key bindings and everything. So right now, yes, this is the Qtile config files. Now I'm gonna try to actually do a small, let's see if it works, to update the Qtile. If I do like mod control R, yes, it kinda worked, I think. It should work. I think it has worked. Okay, so actually for the like people out there that doesn't know much about Qtile, this is a window manager and it is configured in Python. And to see if everything is like working as we want, we can go, let's open a new terminal. I'm using Alacrity. Yeah, I already said it, I'm sorry. My memory is really bad sometimes. But okay, let's go for example to if you go to, let me see, you go to, I think .local, yes, share, and then Qtile. Here there is this magical Qtile.log which you can read. Let's open it with less actually. Qtile.log. Yeah, sure. So as you can see, let's see if this is okay. No, actually, yes, I had some errors, but okay, these were from yesterday, warnings and errors, but I have one from today. error in who client killed. So something is probably not working, but we can just ignore it for now. So let's go again in my home directory. Let's go to the .config directory and then Qtile. And now I wanna just see. Oh. Ah, yes, you're right. You're right. It is already open somewhere. Yes, here it is. Fine. I just wanted to check like the key bindings if they are more or less what I want. So let's just analyze a bit what this is doing. Okay, these are just some imports. This mod 4, I will write it as a comment to remember just for myself. It is the if you have like a Windows key on the keyboard, mod 4 is that. It's just that. And I don't know how it works with Mac, but I know in Windows it's mod 4. Sorry, not in Windows, like with laptops specifically made for Windows, it's mod 4. That's it. Terminal, guess terminal, it's just guessing which terminal do we have. In our case it's Alacrity. And then I am gonna okay, with Windows H I will move the focus to left, right. Okay, these are just the key bindings for theme. Space, this actually I just learned it. Move Windows focus to other windows. If I do mod space, it's just gonna cycle through all the windows I have open. This is really cool actually. With mod shift H L J K I can move the windows. So let's change layout, like go to columns. If I do I forgot, sorry, let's go back. If I do mod shift H, I should move the window to the left. Mod shift H, yes. Mod shift L, I put it there. If I do mod shift K, I put it up. J, I put it down. It's pretty cool actually. I really like this window manager thing. I am like coming from Windows, not from Windows, from Ubuntu actually, and also Windows on another laptop, so I'm not really used to window managers, but I have to say it, this is changing my life as a software developer because it is making me much more productive in a way that I cannot really express. Everything is so customizable and it's really cool actually. So with mod shift J K L H I can move the windows around, and this I already know actually. If I go back to the columns layout, if I do mod control like H, I can make this bigger, L smaller. I don't know what I can do with J and K. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. How can I make it smaller though? I can't. Oh shit, I cannot go back. Okay. But if I do mod N, it's gonna reset all the window sizes. Oh my gosh, this is just wonderful. I am flabbergasted. Okay, then unsplit, mod shift, return, toggle between split and unsplit sides of stack. I honestly don't know what this is. Let's try. If I do mod shift and then return, mod shift return. Oh, okay, it's So this is basically doing what? It's gonna it is like wait, let me go back to my no, it is like no, sorry, if we do mod shift, it is like expanding the oh no, I opened another. Okay, with mod W I can close a window. If I do mod shift enter, I am just making this bigger. So that the window I focus on, it makes it bigger. Let's, for example, focus Firefox. If I do mod shift enter, yes, it is really cool, really cool. Let's go back to our config file. Now what I'm gonna do, it's just continue reading. So if I do mod return, okay, yeah, it's gonna launch terminal. Mod tab, it's gonna shift between different layouts. I already know that because now we are with Max layout. We have, where are the layouts? These are the different layouts. For now there is just columns and Max. There is these different types of layouts that we can try. I don't know anything about that for now. I guess we can learn later. Okay, let's go back. So where is it? Okay, mod W, yes, you can kill a window. Lazy.window.kill. What is this lazy? I actually want to know what is this lazy. It is coming from libqtile.lazy. I don't know if you know something, but I would like to have like some sort of like in VS Code, if you do control and then click on something here, like a new file will open with the definition or library of what your that function, for example. I would like to have something similar on my Vim. Actually, for now, I am just using the standard Vim. Maybe I will upgrade this on a new Vim. For now, I don't have any plugin, but yeah, I would like to have something like that lets you get back to the function definition by, for example, like typing control and then click on the function name. So I don't know if you know some plugin that can do that, but if you know, I would like to please write some comments, because I think it's really useful. I would go like just to this lazy definition and try to read that, but since I can't right now, let's just go back to the Qtile documentation. Let's write lazy. Maybe lazy objects. Lazy objects are a way of executing any of the commands available in Qtile Commands API. The name lazy refers to the fact that commands are not executed at the time of the call. Instead, the lazy object creates a reference to the relevant command, and this is only executed when the relevant event is triggered on a key press. Typically, for config files, the commands are used to manipulate windows, layouts, and groups. Okay. Cool. So it basically means that it's gonna be called, it's lazy because it's gonna be called later when only when the event is um, it's like happening, when you have this keyboard combination, you do this function. So this function right now it's not doing anything, but it's gonna be called when this happens. I'm not really sure why you can just put a reference to a normal function, but I guess I am just too much of a nerd to understand right now. So let's just move on. Maybe in one day in the future I can try to read the source code in GitHub to understand better. Okay, then we have mod F, toggle full screen on the focus window. So if I do mod F, oh, it's gonna become full screen. It's just actually making this bottom bar a bit deeper, but it doesn't change much. Mod T, toggle floating. Oh my god, means I can move it? Wow. Let's remove it for now. Yes, mod control R will reload the config files. This is really useful. Mod control Q will shut down Qtile. Yes. Mod sorry. Yes. If you do mod R, you see this little spawn here on the bottom. You can spawn a command. I actually still don't know about that much, like which commands you can spawn. Maybe we can go here. Let's, for example, key bindings. No. Like, phone. I can't find it right now, but okay, let's just move on. Yes, I'm not really sure what kind of, we should see this spawn command, what it does. Let's just search it. Sorry, spawn command cmd. Spawn command using a prompt widget with tab completion. Prompt string spawn. This is, oh, I can change like this little text. Can be useful, but I don't feel the need right now. Command is a command template. Complete. Execute the command with bin sh. So it can be actually any command that you can execute on the shell. So for example, let me try spawn nm2, I think it is called. I think nothing happened. I wanted to launch like the network manager terminal user interface. Maybe I can spawn network manager graphical user interface, but this is not working either. I'm not sure. I have to search what this does actually, but let's move on. We are not using Wayland right now. I am running this with a desktop manager like DM. So I think it is just using X. But what does it say? Add key binding to switch PTs. I don't know what these are in Wayland. Okay, I'm not doing this, so never mind. Okay, and here we come to the groups. We have 9 groups in which we can move like our windows. For example, I can switch group pressing mod plus the number, like mod 2, I move to the second group, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now they're just empty. If I go back to mod 1, I am here, back to the starting place. So let's try to switch to and move focus window to group. This is actually very useful because, for example, now if I go back to the columns layout, I have a lot of windows, so I can just go back to like the windows I'm interested in, like these ones, and move it to the second group. So if I do mod shift 2, I moved this window to the second group. And if I go back to the first group with mod 1, I have OBS, I have all these other windows, but not anymore the other. And if I just do mod 2, it's really fast, like to go from this window to the others. It's just much more powerful to me. So that's it. In this way you can just move windows around, and I have to see like what these other layouts are doing. I will check that. And now what I want to do actually, these are the widgets. This, for example, widget current layout, it's this, that it's just giving me the name of the layout I'm using right now. So for now I will just keep that. Group box, yes, it's like these numbers that indicates the group. For now everything is really ugly, but the objective of this series of videos is to make my Qtile better and better, little by little. I could just start with an already made template by someone else. I honestly saw a lot of awesome templates, but I think that in that way you are not learning much, and I found myself a little bit confused to just download other people's templates. So I just wanna build mine little by little, adding small functionalities. So for now I was saying that I want to keep this. I don't give a fuck about this window name, I think. Okay, let's see what this is. Widget.prompt. So if I go back here, no, actually let's do something. Let's focus Firefox. Let's move it to group 3. Oh, I didn't do it, sorry. Mod shift 3. Nice. Now I wanna search widget.prompt because I don't know what this is, so I just wanna know what this is. So widget.prompt. Fake screens. Is this? No, this is not what I'm searching for. Okay, let's go here. It's easier. Widgets. battery. I want to put absolutely the battery, because right now what I have to do to check the battery actually is, I will do it right now because I don't actually know right now the level of the battery. Let's go to another group. Let's open Alacrity, and I have to go to /sys plus power supply bet1, and then here I have capacity. It's 72% right now, so now I will just use watch to read the capacity level every 30 seconds. Just doing this. So I will just keep the level of the battery monitored, and that's it. So let's go back to where is okay. I was searching for, I'm sorry, forgot, prompt widget.prompt battery icon, CPU graph, short, I can't find it. Ah, wait. Maybe I am stupid. I'm sorry. Widget.prompt. Search for prompt. Here it is. A widget that prompts for user input. Input should be started using the start input method on this class. What? Oh, I can see the source code from here. I didn't see that. Need to view the available commands for prompt. So what am I doing with this, like, prompt? Nothing for now. It's just like the default configuration. I am very confused right now. Pomodoro. There is a Pomodoro widget. That's cool. No, let's go back. Let's go back here. Widget background color, no. I don't see anything here. I don't think it's this. Let's move on for a bit because I want to see also this window name. I think this is just like this thing here. Window name. My voice is fading. Displays the name of the window that currently has focus. Okay, so yes, it's this one, Mozilla Firefox. If I go here, yes, this doesn't have a name apparently. Okay. Ah no, yes, it does have a name. It's like this thing here. Okay, so this is the window name. Apparently this prompt, it's not doing anything right now. So I can maybe comment it out. Let's try to comment here. If I do save, and then if I do mod Control R, I should have updated now Qtile and nothing changed. So I am happy. I will figure this out what this does, but for now let's move on. Widget.third or curd, I'm not really know. I don't really know what is the pronunciation. Let's go to here and search for third. Display current key tool. Okay. I also don't know what this does. As I've said, like I'm really a noob in this, so if you have any idea, just write it, because I am kind of confused right now. Yes, very confused. Okay, then we have this text box. We can remove it for now. I will just comment it because I don't wanna. Okay, let's just comment it for now. It's just this. So if I now update it, let's do this and then update Qtile, it disappeared. Oh wow, I actually liked how it faded away. There should be some options, maybe somewhere here. Anyway, yes, it was just a strange text. I don't even really need this because I know that the key binding is dead. I can just remove it actually. Let's just remove this line and this line. And again, let's update Qtile. Fine. We have OBS. I don't know why I have OBS logo here. This tray is incompatible with Wayland. We are not using Wayland. Let's see what this tray is doing. 66. My battery is draining so fast. This is actually has been a problem with Linux that I always had with this laptop. This is a pretty old laptop. It's like 7 years old. I don't know, but it's still going pretty well. But the battery has always been a problem with Linux. But for now I just didn't also use TLP or other power torque or other stuff, so I guess it's fine. So let's see what this sys tray is. A widget that manages system tray. But I don't know what assist. Oh, there is a task list. Oh my gosh, I want this. I want this. Okay, I will put it one day. Okay, let's search what a sys tray is. Sys tray. Or let's put English because I am Italian. Taskbar? What? Wait a second. Okay, let's search sys tray. What is it? Oh my gosh. I should fix my Firefox because right now it's just searching in Italian. Definition of system tray. An area or right side of taskbar on the Windows interface used to display the status of various functions. So okay, maybe it's this thing here. Just speaker volume and modern transmission. Okay, what I have actually to do, very important, is to figure out how to increase the volume of the speakers and how to increase and decrease, and also the brightness, because right now my brightness it's so high and I am struggling a lot. My eyes are struggling a lot really, so I should figure out how to add this here in some ways. But I just need actually key bindings, and maybe some animation would be cool, like to see like the volume increasing or something similar. But I guess this is really complicated. But right now, okay, we got what the system tray is. It should be this thing here. I can change the background, the icon size, mouse callbacks, okay, and padding between icons. I can increase the padding honestly because it seems it is very not much right now. Let me see. Yes, let's increase the padding maybe to 10. Let's see what happens with 10. Let's save. Let's update, and nothing changed. Nothing changes. Why? I don't know. Maybe because we just have OBS right now? I don't know. Let's move on. At this point I will remove this. Okay, then we have the clock. This is pretty straightforward, but I want to change the format because I'm not American or whatever else, and I want day, month, year, right? Yes. And then this is fine, and the time is also fine. So quick exit. Basically if I click here on shutdown, it's gonna close Qtile. Let's keep it for now, but this is still really ugly. And okay, this is for the bottom bar. We can put the bar on top actually. I can drag. Wait. Can I? I don't think so. No. No, I cannot drag it because it says that drag floating layouts with button 1. How can I know which are my buttons for the mouse? Like, yes, the window get position. Let's set position. Maybe I don't have to drag it. Oh no, yes, drag. I don't know, honestly. I also don't know what all of these are. What the fuck? XXX? Yes. We are lying here. In fact, nobody really uses or cares about this string without Java UI toolkits. Really funny. This is really funny. This is also very funny. Okay, I guess for now it's kind of okay. Let's save again. Let's update. Yes, this is changed. Let's close it for now. I think for today this is enough. My next tasks would be to to figure out a way to change the brightness and the volume of the speakers. Plus also to figure out how floating windows works, because I cannot move them right now. So if you have any suggestion, this is my first video and I would really appreciate some feedback. I know the microphone is a bit shit right now, but I'm gonna buy something new. And that's it for now. So thank you and goodbye.